Recovery process after getting dental crowns. Dental crowns are an incredibly common process that is used to in restoring the form, size, and look of a tooth which has had decay or damaged. Even though getting dental crowns can be relatively straightforward, it's crucial to learn what the procedure for recovery such that you are able to effectively take care of your newly created crowns and make sure they are durable for the years to come. In the video below, we'll explain what the process of healing follows the dental crowns. This includes what you can expect in terms of swelling, pain, as well as how you can take care of your dental crowns following the procedure. 1. What should you expect to see immediately following having dental crowns? When you receive dental crowns, it's normal to feel discomfort or pain around the region of treatment. Your dentist may suggest you take an over-the-counter pain medicine to ease the discomfort. It is possible that you will experience inflammation and sensitization to cold and hot temperatures during the following days of the treatment. It is essential to follow the directions of your dentist post-procedure carefully in order to make sure that the procedure is properly healed and to avoid issues. This could mean avoiding specific foods that can be difficult or sticky, maintaining excellent oral hygiene, making sure you attend any appointment for follow-ups as set. 2. How do you manage swelling and discomfort after receiving dental crowns? For managing swelling and pain when you receive dental crowns, it is crucial to take all prescribed painkillers in accordance with the directions of the dentist. Additionally, you can apply a cold pack on the affected area to ease discomfort and swelling. Beware of cold or hot foods or drinks may also assist to reduce the sensitivity weeks following the procedure. Avoiding eating soft foods as well as taking a bite on the side of your mouth on which the crowns were inserted could also aid in preventing any further discomfort. 3. How do you care of your dental crowns following the procedure? A proper treatment of your dental crowns is crucial to ensure that they will last for many years. That means practicing proper oral hygiene habits, including regular flossing and brushing, and seeing your dentist on a regular basis for routine examinations and cleanings. Refraining from eating foods that are sticky, hard, and sticky could also aid in preventing damages to your crowns. It's also essential to be aware of habits such as grinding or nail biting, since they put additional strain on your crowns and result in premature wear. 4. Contact your dentist when you are. Though some discomfort and pain can be expected after receiving dental crowns, there's a number of indicators that signal a possible issue needing immediate care. If you feel intense pain that's not treated with a prescription medication and swelling that is excessive, or other symptoms of infection like blood or a sour smell in your mouth, you should contact your dentist as soon as possible. Dental professionals can assess your signs and symptoms to determine what is the most appropriate way to tackle possible issues, and also be sure you're getting the proper treatment. In the end, the healing process following dental crowns is fairly simple. However, it's crucial to follow the after-procedure guidelines carefully to ensure the proper healing and the longevity of your dental crowns. In managing swelling and pain and maintaining good oral hygiene and abstaining from any habit that could cause damage to the crowns you have, you'll be able to enjoy a beautiful and healthy dental smile for many years to come. If you have concerns or have questions regarding your recovery procedure, do not delay in contacting your dentist for advice.